Hi everyone, thank you so much for joining me today. My name is Lauren with the Coffee Cake Quilt Company, and today I have the January Open Gate Quilt subscription box. This is a subscription box that Monique Jacobs of Maywood Studios puts out every single month. It does cost $47 plus shipping, and then it's $14 if you wanted to add a backing, $15 if you wanted to add a 4 coordinating fat quarter bundle that also comes with a pattern. So yeah, let's go ahead and dive into this. And I also want to apologize for the sound of my voice. I had COVID I don't even know, maybe almost 2 weeks ago, a week and a half, 2 weeks ago now, and it's just ravaged my vocal cords. I don't know what's going on, but let's go ahead and see what's in this month's box. All right, so here's what it looks like inside. It has this beautiful custom tissue paper here, and then the logo, of course. We do get an insert here that tells us the contents of the items in this month's box. It also tells us the day of the Zoom meeting that Monique will put out for the large project in this box. That is free. It does come with this box as well. So let's see, this month will be January 13th. Okay, so a couple more days, not my watch on. A couple more days, January 13th at 7 p.m. CST. She'll send a Zoom link for the class. All right, and so we'll go through the box contents and I'll kind of let you know what the designers are and the thread colors we have and things like that. Usually this box will include a complete large project, a complete small project, 2 spools of thread usually. If not 2 spools of thread, then there's a notion included. And then she'll also include the patterns for these projects. She'll include maybe an extra pattern sometimes. Sometimes she'll include an extra fat quarter as well for your stash building. So yeah, it's just a really great fun box, a little bit different than some of the other subscription boxes out there. Okay, so first let's go ahead and open our fat quarter bundle here. This is those 4 coordinating fat quarters for $15. And like I said, it also comes with a free pattern. Let's go ahead and see what our pattern is here. This is the Bargello table runner. It is 15 inches by 45 inches. And here's what it looks like. Okay, kind of gives like a pixelated feel with the fabrics that Monique chose. And these fabrics are from the Operetta line that Monique just put out. It is in fabric stores near you. So here's a light pink. Here is our medium light pink. We have our medium dark. And we have our dark. And if you hear stomping upstairs, I apologize. 3 of my 4 kids are home and they are really loud right now. So the only thing that you'll need then for that table runner pattern is the backing. The binding is included with those fabrics. Next, we have our small project. Okay, so the small project is a framed heart bowl filler, and it looks like we're making 2 of these. These are super cute, 2 5-inch squares. Let me go ahead and show you the project. Monique did include all of the fabric that you need for this small project. So here's that light pink. This one's a little bit different than the other one. You can see there's a slightly different design. Okay, and then we have our medium. And this one's a little bit different colorway of the kind of light pink design. And then included for the small project is also a little bag here of Aurifil. Okay, here is our Aurifil thread for this month. This is 50 weight pink, and the number is 2437 for those of you curious. Okay, so let's get to our pattern for this month. This is called Necklace, and it does measure at 64.5 by 76.75. Look at this beautiful quilt. I'm definitely in love with this quilt. Kind of looks like courthouse steps and an Irish chain came together and had this baby. Is what it looks like up close. Here is our large project. This is called the Little Lone Star, 26-inch square, so it's a little wall hanging. Let me go ahead and show this to you. Okay, here's what it looks like. Oh man, this is some skill building right here. These diamonds, okay, you sew them into strips. This should be really interesting. I do think you sew on the bias, which I have done before actually for this quilt right here. I actually had to sew on the bias for some of the buttons on the sewing machine that's on that quilt. Oh man, but this should be really interesting. Okay, but to help us out, there's actually interfacing included as well, and this is counting as our notion this month. Let me look at this interfacing. This is interesting because I've never seen this before. Oh, this is so neat. Oh, look at that. Okay, so this is Little Lone Star by Bill Reinhold. Okay, so she didn't create this pattern. It looks like Bill Reinhold did. So it's copyright 2005-2021 by Quilt Smart Inc. All rights reserved. Okay, so you have a cutting line, a stitching line, and a folding line, and one panel makes one Lone Star. Okay, this is so neat, you guys. Okay, so it looks like we need some strips of fabric here. So here are the 4 strips of fabric that are included for this pattern. And like I said, Monique does include all of the fabric that you need with exception of the backing. So go ahead and add the backing to your order if that's something that you wanted to do, or of course you could always use from your stash. I really like this one actually, now that I'm putting it down and looking at it closer. It's really cute. Okay, so our background fabric is actually already cut for us. So these are 7-inch squares. There's 4 of them here that Monique already cut for us. And then there's also a strip that we'll need. So there you go, that takes some of the work out of it for us. You have your outer border fabric as well as the binding fabric. And Monique does include the backing for me. So this is the little Lone Star 7/8 yard of backing. So almost a full yard. Okay, and this looks like that dark black that we also got in our fat quarter bundle. Let me pull this out here and show it to you. There is a little design on it. All right, well, that is it for this month's box. I hope you enjoyed it as much as I did. I love that Monique included all of the items themed around the Operetta fabric line that she has out in stores now. And I love that pink Aurifil thread. Pink is definitely my favorite color, so I was excited about that. I'm really happy with this month's box. Hopefully you are too. Please let me know down below what your thoughts are, and I will see you next time. Bye, everybody.